We got a little frustrated, no? We couldn't get calls going our way, no? But I think the biggest factor yung masyado kami maraming turnovers. We had 22 turnovers, 22 assists. So 1:1 yung ano namin, yung ratio namin sa assist to turnovers. It's just too big to give up to a team like TNT. If you're turning the ball over that many times, that means you're giving up too many easy points, yung mga cheap baskets. Tingin ko we were still in the game, in the end game, except for nung biglang pumasok yung 4-point shot ni RHJ. That kind of broke our back, no? But panglaban pa rin kung di sana pumasok yun. Nagkaroon din kami ng problema nung nagka-4 fouls si Aaron. That was late third, so we had to pull him out. So yung portion na wala si Aaron, medyo nag-struggle din kami. But I still feel good about the series. Actually, maganda yung depensa namin. Low percentage sila, low efficiency. I think they only shot 34% for their field goal percentage. So that's really good defense. The problem was we were turning the ball over so many times. So yung nag-gain namin sa depensa na nababawi nila dun sa mga turnovers namin. Pero maganda pa rin pakiramdam ko. Tingin ko habang humahaba yung series, a longer series could be more advantageous to us. So we'll try to keep winning because every win extends the series to another game. So nauna sila, pero bukas makikita namin sa film viewing namin yung mga mali namin. May isang araw kami mag-correct. Tingin ko naman hindi naman marami yung corrections, just minimizing turnovers in general.
Coach, kumusta yung in between the series? Kumusta yung naging pahinga ninyo?
Maganda naman. No? Actually, hindi naman pagod yung mga bata sa tingin ko. Sakto lang yung, I think 3 days yung namin, no? Yung between games. Yung isang araw nag-break kami, 2 araw nag-ensayo kami. Pero of course, yung ensayo naman, hindi naman todo na yung masusunog sila. So kailangan mo pa rin i-manage yung load mo sa ensayo. I don't think we're tired. No, I don't think that's a factor in today's game.
Coach, how do you slow down yung production na katulad ng ginawa kanina ni Ronde na yung triple-double plus may steals and blocks?
Naka-triple-double ba siya? 9 assists lang.
Triple-double.
Of course, that's an issue, that's a problem na kailangan namin solusyonan. Pero yung scoring niya, I think is in the low 40, under 40%. So to limit RHJ to under 40% scoring, that's already an accomplishment. Yung lang masyado siyang may freedom na to play off his man. Nakakatulong siya sa double team, nakakatulong siya sa rebound, nakakatulong siya sa pag-gamble ng steals. I think he had 4 or 5 steals. So we have to find a way to prevent him from having to play off his man and help out in the other areas. Kailangan talaga threat lahat. So, tignan namin muna yung video. Pero masaya kami dun sa percentage na binigay namin sa kanya. Hindi mo naman mapipigilan sa scoring yun. Score pa rin yun. Ang usapan lang dyan, ano yung efficiency rate niya. Mababa yung efficiency rate niya.
Coach, nabanggit ni Coach Chot na they have you where they want you in terms of the pace of the game. Do you agree?
Siguro for this game, no. But kasi ang gusto, we have to find ways or we have to learn to beat the other team in different ways. Hindi naman pwede na masusunod parate yung pace mo. Actually, we had that chance kanina. No, na sabi ko, kahit hindi ito high scoring, kahit hindi ganun kabilis yung pace, as long as we're in striking distance, okay ka pa. So, yun nga, maybe they can slow us down, maybe we can play yung sinasabi niya at their pace, but the important thing is you give yourself a chance to win at whatever pace you're playing. So, yun lang. Sabi ko nga kaninang bagsak nung chances namin was the 4-point shot at the right time for them. Kasi naging 10 yung lamang, 6 na lang eh. No? 2 possession game na lang yun eh. So, biglang pumasok yung 4-point shot. Medyo mahirap balikan, mahirap makabakon. But yun nga, sabi ko, yes, they may have been able to control the pace better than we did, but we accept that we will not always control the pace. But you always have to give yourself a chance to win the game, whether the pace is going your way or not. And kanina feeling ko kahit low scoring to kaya manalo. Kahit medyo bumagal kami kaya manalo. They made 1 or 2 big plays that decided the game.